Trip bid, applying to trips and completing a trip. This video is part of a series of 3 tutorials on how to use the Trip bid application. You can find links to the other tutorials in the video description and in the cards. In this video, we're going to explain how to apply for jobs, how they are assigned, and how to complete a trip correctly, step by step. To start working, the first thing we need to do is tap the Start button. This button activates the Live tab, where available jobs appear. Before accepting any job, it is mandatory to complete the vehicle inspection. The inspection must be done every day before working. We answer all the questions, sign, and submit. Without a completed inspection, we must not accept jobs. Applying to jobs in Live. In the Live tab, we can see the available jobs. In some jobs, especially those coming from other bases, the payment is not shown initially. In those cases, we can tap the job and apply. Once the job is assigned, we open it, review all the information, including how much it pays, and decide whether to do it or reject it using the Pre-Empt button. Key tip: tap multiple jobs. It is highly recommended to tap multiple jobs at the same time. The reason is that this increases the probability that one of those jobs will be assigned to the driver.
Auto dispatch.
Another way to receive jobs is through auto dispatch. The system sends jobs automatically based on proximity. The job appears in the app, and we have a few seconds to open it, review the information, and decide whether to accept it or reject it. Direct assignment by dispatch. In some cases, dispatch assigns a job directly. The dispatcher will always call the driver to ask if they can do the trip. The job is assigned in the app so the driver can review the details and confirm whether they can complete it or not. Trip status. Once a job is assigned, we move on to completing the trip. There are 4 trip statuses in the app, and they must always be changed in the correct location. On location, no-show, pickup, and drop-off. Using these statuses correctly is critical, because insurance validates trips based on these records. Navigating to the pickup. We tap Navigate and choose the pickup address. The map opens, either Google Maps or Waze, and we can see the ETA. When we arrive at the pickup address, we must be exactly in front of the building shown in the app. Only then do we mark on location. After marking on location, we call the passenger and let them know we are outside. No-show. The passenger has 7 minutes to come out. If the passenger does not appear after that time, we can mark no-show. It is very important to wait the full time, because this process allows the company to prove to the insurance provider that the driver arrived at the correct address, that he was present at the location, and waited the required amount of time. Insurance does not accept early removals or cancellations without this record because it needs evidence that the driver fulfilled their responsibility. For this reason, dispatch should not be asked to remove the trip before the time is up. No-show cannot be marked before the timer finishes. Waiting and correctly marking no-show protects both the driver and the company. Pickup. When the passenger arrives, we confirm the passenger's name and the destination address. Only when the correct passenger is inside the vehicle and the destination matches what appears in the system do we mark pickup. If the destination address is not correct, we do not start the trip. In that case, we must immediately call dispatch and report the situation so dispatch can advise how to proceed. Navigating to the destination and drop-off. After marking pickup, we tap Navigate and select the drop-off address. We take the passenger only to the address shown in the system. When we arrive and the passenger exits the vehicle, we mark drop-off. In some cases, the app may request the passenger's signature. And that's it. the trip is completed, and you can move on to other jobs. The trip you just completed can be verified in the My Trips tab. There you will see the trip details, including the payment and tolls, if applicable. This was the complete process for applying to jobs and completing a trip correctly. If you need to familiarize yourself with the app interface, watch the video TripBid, the app, and the interface. And if you plan to work in the morning, watch the video TripBid Morning Jobs. Links are available in the description, the cards, and at the end of this video.